Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We're going to cover the usual USD pairs as well as the DXY today. But firstly, we'll jump over the economic calendar and see what news we had coming out of yesterday and what we're looking forward coming for today. So basically, obviously, first of all, we'll just have a bit of a quick look here. We can see yesterday's price action. We pretty well just dropped. And that was based off the news yesterday. We had the non-farm employment change come in less than what was forecast. So that was obviously negative on the US pair. And then Fed Jerome Powell testifying yesterday. And we can see here by these related stories, there's just not a lot of it's very unsure as to when they're going to start cutting rates, what the move forwards are from here. So US progress against inflation not assured, from Powell. Incoming data will determine when rate cuts begin. There was another one down here. Fed Powell to double down on no rush to cut messages. So really not really giving the market a clear signal as to, where we're at, when we're going to see cuts. And obviously that was a bit negative for the, more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. So what they're looking for is that clear, strong, concise message. This is what we're doing. And they're obviously not giving it. It's more dovish, more, let's just see how this plays out. We're waiting for data to come through. And, that's definitely not what the investors want to be seeing. So yeah, obviously that on the back of the non-farm employment change, we saw the dollar tank yesterday. So obviously we got that news there at 12. That news there at 12, which dropped, and then obviously Jerome Powell speaking dropped again yesterday. Now, from a structural point of view, we can see here, this was sort of late January, early February, where we pulled up into that monthly imbalance area, and we've since dropped down. We can see here we had a bit of a rising consolidation through here, taking liquidity off these highs up into, as we can see here quite clearly, this last area of supply. So this last impulse up before the down move, we pulled up into there and then obviously have dropped away. So basically what we're looking for now at the moment is this bottom area going to hold? We have this massive 4-hour imbalance here, which we have now filled most of it. So really what we're looking for at the moment is, does this area down here hold, or do we see a continuation drop? What I would like to see out of this pair, and we'll just jump back over to the news again. We do have unemployment claims coming out again tonight, so that could fuel a little bit more. And we do have the Jerome Powell speech again tonight as well. So based on that, do we see this area get completely taken out? Based on the news and stuff that's come out already, I would say that's probably more of a probability. We may get a consolidation here and then push through. The only other option we could see here is we do have some 4-hour imbalance that has opened itself up there. And we do have, so at the moment, we've got our swing structure high, which is up here, and it's pulled down broken structural lows. So we are now working between this high and wherever this low gets set, if it gets set down here. So what we could be looking for is a pullback up into, say, this supply area here, this last supply before the drop. Come up, fill imbalance up into that supply area. So if we get a rejection out of here, a possible retrace back up into that area before then going low. But again, a lot of that will be based on news coming out today. And like I said, based on the news that was coming and the reports coming from the US Powell, Jerome Powell's speech, yeah, I would say that we're probably going to be looking at just possibly a continuation of a drop from today. Euro. So obviously when the USD is bearish. Obviously, the opposing pair is bullish. We can see here we did have that consolidation, and then yesterday we just popped up, taking out that high. So we have now taken out obviously liquidity here and liquidity here, and we have pushed up nicely into this last area here as well. So again, a lot of this is going to be based on news at the moment, but I would anticipate that we see that area get taken today. I'll push up through there. So for me, again, I'm not going to be trading news. With news events like this, it is quite risky, but basically I think on the, what you're going to be looking for is on the 15-minute is just if we're, so we've started pulling down here, we've pulled back up, failed to set a new high, pulled back down. If we set a bit of a new low here, then basically what we're going to want to be looking for is, if you're really keen on getting in for that long, you're going to want to see a structural shift or a change. So obviously taking out the strong high, wait for that small retrace, and then get in for that long from there. So that's basically what I would be looking for. Again, though, manage your risk accordingly, because the markets, they are it can be quite savage with news like this around. And GU, obviously GU's had that push up as well. Again, haven't really pushed up quite high in the range. We're just on the, oh, sorry, on the 15-minute chart here. We are starting to come up into, we draw a trend line through here. We can see we've just popped above that area, taken liquidity off the top, and now we're starting to push back down. But again, as per, this could be a little bit of enticement. So what we could be looking for here is we've pushed up, tagged in some orders, pushed back down a little bit, and then obviously come back up and take out those stops there. So what we could be looking for, again, same as the euro, is just continually pushing higher. But again, with how consolidated and choppy this price action has been, I prefer just to stick away with it until we break some of these areas here and get a strong bias, daily bias or weekly bias as to which way we're going to be going. But anyway, guys, obviously it's been a pleasure having you on this week. I love doing these videos for you guys. Please leave a like and a comment, if you like the videos, and I'll see you again next week on another daily market outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group, tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.